Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Tim back with another video, and this time it is the final flip house video because we are done. We are done. The house goes on the market tomorrow, so I thought I would give you a really quick walkthrough and show you the finished product and let you see what you can do with a little bit of time and money. So. Just to refresh you, this home is in the city of Madison, 1,667 square feet, 3.2, sitting on over a quarter of an acre. So it's a really great little house in the Whisperwood subdivision. Now, when we bought this home, the bones were excellent. The bones were really good, but it was dated. The walls were a little wonky. The yard, not so great. So we literally have come in and just remodeled this house from the top down. It's got a new roof, it's got new windows, and you're about to see on the inside we replaced flooring, paint, remodeled the entire kitchen, remodeled bathrooms, did a ton of work outside. When I bought this house, the backyard was overgrown. It had a lot of plants in it, just not good. It has all been redone. This has one of the nicest backyards you're going to find. So let me just take you to the front and refresh your memory on this house. And I might can drop in some of the old video, but you may recall when we initially bought this house, this was a foyer area and a dining room area. And there was a wall there that had an archway in it that had been done by the previous owner. Now, to me, it was just really weird to walk in the door and have this area as foyer and then that area immediately as the dining room. So what we did was we opened this wall up. And what's really funny is when we took down the sheetrock, we found the old door. Originally, there was a doorway here and that was all wall. While the original or the other owner had boarded up that door and cut in the archway. Well, we opened that up entirely and you can see what a difference it's made. We then took down the foyer light and the dining room light. We put a light in the center of the room. So now this is a really nice entry room. You could set it up as a little living room, sitting room, whatever you want to do, because we moved the dining room back there. And I'll show you that in just a minute. We were very fortunate. The hardwoods were really good. We did have enough to patch here where we opened up the wall. Let me go give you a look here. The walls are agreeable gray. It's a little dark today because it's raining outside, but I wanted to give you the tour. All right, so I want you to look at the great room. We really, by taking down this wall, opened this up. Amazing. Love it. You can see now what we did originally. There was a light in the very center. So what we did, really easy, is we moved lights and we designated areas. So now this is going to be the great room area. You can see that we scraped all the popcorn off the ceiling. We painted the beams. We outlined the fireplace. We did a whitewash on the fireplace. Really cool. French doors going out into the screen patio, which we redid. And then now this area is the dining area. And this room is so big, you can designate these areas and have just tons of space. I think this is something like, God, I don't know, 30 by 15. Really nice. Loving this. My contractor, Josh, did an excellent job for us on this. Now, here was the big makeover, and that was the kitchen. So originally the cabinets were, the standard wood cabinets that went into a kitchen back in the day when this was built, probably 87 or 88. Painted those cabinets. We replaced the countertops with quartz. Did a little overhang here so you can put some bar stools. And then we did just a simple subway tile, which I really like because it complements the gray. Put in a farm sink. How nice is this? We did replace the oven, stove, microwave is good. We've even got a stainless steel fridge that is going to come with the house. Laundry here, garage there. So let me give you a look from this side. We also retiled this floor. The previous owner had done some decorative tile that just didn't work. So this tile, I really like this tile. It's kind of a muted gray, but a really nice kitchen. And again, open up. It opens up to the dining room here, which opens up into to the great room. Got a ginormous ceiling fan there. I really like the fireplace. Interesting. All right, so this house has 3 bedrooms, and they were completely redone. Let me show you the hall bath, because it was redone. Check this out. How pretty is this? And what we did in here, tile floor, new toilet. We actually just painted this vanity, but we put the quartz top on it. New mirror, new lights. This was the old shower insert that we had refinished, and it looks freaking amazing. Just incredible. Looks brand new. They did a really good job on that. And again, the agreeable gray walls. Let's go check out the master. In here, popcorn, paint, new carpet, new light fixtures, new windows. And then this one has an ensuite again. We used the same tile that we used in the other bathroom. And painted the vanity. The vanity was really good. It was just wood, but we painted that. Granite or quartz countertop, new plumbing fixtures, new mirror, new lights, new toilet, and again refinished the shower with new fixtures. And then we have a closet right there. Very happy with the way this house turned out. And then we've got 2 more bedrooms that are standard issue. I think this one's 11 by 10. But again, popcorn, paint, carpet, lighting fixtures. All right, and then we have 1 more bedroom here. This one's a little bigger. I think this one's 11 by 12. Popcorn, paint, flooring, lighting fixtures. So a really nice little house in the city of Madison. Got 1 more door to fix there, looks like. Oh, Josh. Joshy. All right, so there you go. That is a look at the inside. I've got to show you the backyard because I am super proud of the backyard. You know, one thing I do, I always overspend when it comes to the yard. And the reason I do that is because I believe yards sell houses. So we've got these great French doors, opens up into a really nice screened in porch. We've got new light fixture there, painted really nice. All right, when I bought this house, this area here, this whole area right here was built up, and there were these giant banana trees, elephant ears. I mean, the damn things that looked like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Hate them. So they went away. And then once we had those torn out, came in and kind of sloped this back down because it was really built up. And I hate that you got all these leaves out here because there's about $8,000 worth of sod under these leaves. So what we did was, there was a tree here that was diseased that came down, tore out all of this mess. Around the side there, you really couldn't even see the fence for the plants, the overgrown. Tore all that out, replaced the fence, new gate, new fence on the other side. And then we sloped this, and this entire yard was sodded with Bermuda sod. And again, if it wasn't for the leaves, it would look amazing. So also got a really great little storage shed there that'll come in handy. One of the things I like about this house is no one will ever build behind you because that is that gentleman's property right there. So you're gonna have a nice, quiet backyard. Again, the roof is brand new. Windows are brand new. I mean, we literally kind of rebuilt this house from the top down. and it is solid as a rock now and ready for a family. All right, so let's go back inside and we'll do a little recap because it's a bit nippy. Get the old nose running. All right, so what do you think? Pretty nice, huh? I think so. And again, to recap, this is about 1667 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths in the heart of Madison. We're in the Whisperwood subdivision. Waltrana is right there. Kroger is right there. Really close to the schools. I think this is Bob Jones Schools. So again, this house has had everything you could do to a house done to it. And it has turned out beautiful. So hey, if you're interested in this home, you can check it out online. I'll put in the link below if you'd like to set up a time to take a look at it. Just let me know. Just drop me a comment below, but it will go quickly. You know, we call houses in the city of Madison like this unicorns because everybody's on the lookout for one. You rarely see one if they existed, and then they go quickly. So I think this one is going to do that. It'll go, I would expect, before the weekend is out. But hey, if you'd like to try to get and take a look, let me know. My number is 679-0704. All my info is below. And yeah, I'm very happy how the house turned out. So hey, if you like what we do here on the channel, guys, don't forget, click the subscribe button, the like button, and the little bell notification icon. That way you never miss another one of our flip or real estate videos. Or we also talk a lot about life here in Huntsville, Alabama, and we would love to have you as a subscriber and chat with you in the comments. Hey, if you are looking to move here, don't forget, I've got Revolved Realty. We've got, gosh, 70-ish agents right now. All of them are ready to help you find the perfect home here in North Alabama. So contact information is below. Just give us a shout. In the meantime, guys, I'm going to put out the sign, get this thing online, and we'll get it sold. All right, that's it, guys. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.